Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about benefits of turmeric. Here are those. Turmeric as an antioxidant. Antioxidants protect your body from free radicals. Free radicals can lead to oxidative damage that causes aging and other diseases. Curcumin compound of turmeric decreases the level of circulating free radicals by scavenging reactive oxygen species such as hydrogen peroxide, superoxide and nitric oxide. Turmeric as an anti-inflammatory. By reducing chronic inflammation, turmeric indirectly helps in controlling heart disease, metabolic syndrome, cancer, degenerative conditions and Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric as a neuroprotector. It can act as a potential therapeutic agent for various neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease, dementia, Parkinson's disease, Huntington's disease, and multiple sclerosis. Turmeric in cancer treatment. Curcumin compound works as an anti-cancer agent by affecting the development of new blood vessels, prohibiting the growth of cancer cells, suppressing the metastasis of cancer cells, inducing apoptosis in cancer cells. Turmeric as a hepatoprotective agent. It protects the liver from fibrosis, non-alcoholic liver disease, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, acute and chronic liver injuries and cirrhosis. Turmeric as a cardioprotector. Curcumin improves the endothelial lining that aids in regulating blood pressure, thereby reducing the risk of the development of heart disease. Turmeric in osteoarthritis. A natural curcuminoid mixture known as Meriva is shown to provide significant improvement in physical function and stiffness of joints when consumed for 8 months. In treatment of diabetes, curcumin prevents diabetes through its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and may also aid in improving other factors that contribute to diabetes like high blood sugar, insulin resistance and hyperlipidemia. Turmeric as antidepressant. Turmeric has an explicit ability to boost the level of BDNF, which is the main cause of depression when present in low concentration in the body. Turmeric in improving the skin health. It is being used for a long time as a natural skin cleanser that imparts glow to the skin. Turmeric in eye degeneration. The application of curcumin can help protect against the degeneration of the eyes. Turmeric in digestion. It is beneficial in helping with digestive disorders like bloating, gas, and inflammatory bowel disease. Turmeric as an antiviral agent. Curcumin also has the ability to activate the immune system and enhance the antibody response. Turmeric as painkiller. It is being used as a natural painkiller. Turmeric mixed in milk is given to relieve any pain caused due to any type of injury or surgery. In the treatment of erectile dysfunction, turmeric's anti-inflammatory property helps to treat erectile dysfunction. Turmeric in weight loss. It can be a good natural option that can facilitate weight loss and help in the management of metabolic syndrome. Turmeric in mental health. It is also shown to improve the feelings of anxiety, negativity, and depression in people. Thanks for watching.